Good morning, dear student of Standard 7. Today we start workbook section of Social Science, Chapter 1, Rajput Age, New Rulers and States. Let's start the first exercise. Choose the correct alternates. In first exercise, first number is after the death of which king in North India, small state become independent. Pulkesi 2, yani A. Second, which power emerged in India in the 7th century? Answer is feudalism A. Third, who established the state of Grahavat? Answer is Chandradev D. Which of the following region has been known as the state of Avanti or Ujjaini since ancient time? The answer is Malwa D. Fifth, by which name was the state of Bundelkhand later known as? A. Jijaka Bhukti. Sixth, which ruler is not included in the ruler of Parma dynasty of Malwa? The answer is Vasudev C. 7. Bhoj was the best king of which dynasty? Answer is Parmar A. Which king established a Mahasala college in Dharanagar? Answer is C. Bhoj. Which king of Chauhan dynasty has a ninth number? Which king of Chauhan dynasty has a unique place in the history of India? The answer is B. Prithviraj III. 10. In which field did Prithviraj Chauhan defeat Sihabuddin Gauri? The answer is Tarai field C. 11. Who established Anilwad Patan on the bank of river Saraswati in 756 AD? The answer is Vanraj Chawda B. The region of which dynasty is called the golden age of Rajput rules of Gujarat? The answer is Solanki A. 13. During the regions of which dynasty was Rani Ki Vav constructed? The answer is Solanki dynasty B. 14. Which dynasty ruled Bengal in the 8th century? The answer is Palla dynasty. 15. Who constructed the world famous Rani Ki Vav in Patan? The answer is Queen Udaymati C. 16. Where is Malav Lake located in Gujarat? Dholka B. 17. Who composed a grammar book named Siddhen Saptanusasan during the reigns of Siddharth Jaisingh? The answer is Hemchandra Acharya Ji. 18. Which village was gifted to Adnoraj by the Solankis? Vyagrapalli C. 19. What was the name of the last ruler of Waghela dynasty? Answer is Karnadev D. 20. Who established the Palla dynasty in Bengal? The answer is C. Gopal. The land between which river was ruled by Varangal dynasty? The answer is Krishna and Godavari. Whose second name was Kerala or Malayalam? 22 number. Whose second name was Kerala or Malayalam? D. Chera. 23. Who was the best ruler among the Chera rulers? Setungwan A. 24. Seeing Indian abundant wealth, who made several inventions of India during 1000 to 1026? The answer is Muhammad Ghazali. 25. Whom did Sihabuddin Gauri defeated in the second battle at Tarai battlefield and established power in Delhi? The answer is Prithviraj Chauhan. 25 number C. Second exercise, filling the blanks. First question. After the death of Harshvardhan, the answer is Harshvardhan, in the 7th century, his vast empire was divided into small independent states in North India. Second number, Rajput were the protectors of Gau Brahmins. The answer is Gau Brahmins. Third, Rajput women were famous for their valor. The answer is valor. Fourth, later Chandel Bundelkhand state was known as Jijaka Bhukti. The answer is Jijaka Bhukti. Fifth, Bhoj was the greatest ruler of Parma dynasty. The answer is Bhoj. Sixth, King Bhoj established a college, Mahasala, in Dharanagar. Seventh number, the rule of Solanki kings is considered as golden age of Rajput of Gujarat. The answer is Solanki. 8. Queen Udaymati built the world famous step well in Patan. Answer is Udaymati. 9. The Rani Ki Vav of Patan has been declared as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. The answer is Rani Ki Vav. 10. Siddharth Jaisingh's mother Meenal Devi was the ideal queen mother. The answer is Minal Dev. 11th, the king named Gopal founded Palla dynasty in Bengal. The answer is Gopal. 12. After the downfall of Palla dynasty, Sen dynasty was established in Bengal. The answer is Sen. 13. The state located in the south of river Narmada are called Southern state. The answer is Narmada. 14. In 540 AD, Vatapi was made the capital and a separate independent state was established by the king Pulkesi I. The answer is Pulkesi I. 15. Devgiri was the capital of the Yadavas and thus Dwar Samudra was the capital of Hoysal dynasty. The answer is Devgiri and Dwar Samudra. 16. Setungwan was the best ruler of Chera dynasty. The answer is Setungwan. 17. The king Yesakar of Kashmir was chosen by a committee of Brahmin. Yesakar was the answer. 18. In the Rajput era, land revenue was known as Bhag of the production. The answer is Bhag. 19. Stambhtirth and Bhrigugarh port of Gujarat were famous for foreign trade during Rajput era. The answer is Stambhtirth or Bhrigugarh is the answer. 20. The main reason of Muhammad Ghazni invention was India's abundant wealth. The answer is abundant wealth. Third exercise, right or wrong. First question, there were two capitals of Gravwal, Kanauj and Ujjaini. The answer is wrong. Second, Chandel builds and decorated great religious building and reservoir in Bundelkhand. Right. Third, a town named Ajaypur is known as Ajmer today. Wrong. Fourth, Prithviraj III hold a unique place in the history of India. Right. Fifth, the rules of Solanki kings is considered as golden age of Rajput era of Gujarat. Right. Sixth number, Queen Udayamati built Saurashtraling Lake in Patan. The answer is wrong. Seventh number, Siddharth Jaisingh carried out the possessions of scripture Siddhen Sattanu Shasan on an elephant in Patan. The answer is right. 8. Vaghelas originally belonged to Rashtragut clade. Wrong. 8. Ninth number, Karnadev Vaghela was the first ruler of Vaghela dynasty. The answer is wrong. 10th, Jaisingh was the first ruler of Chalukya dynasty. The answer is right. 11. Kanchipuram was the capital of Chola dynasty. Wrong. 12. Pandya kingdom was big, small, but it was a large center of trade. The answer is right. 13. In the Rajput era, the land revenue was known as toll. The answer is right. Muslim invaded India between the 8th and the 12th century. The answer is right. 15 number, the main reason of Muhammad Ghazni invention was India's abundant wealth. The answer is right. Then the match the following fourth exercise. First question, the founder of Gravwal dynasty. The answer is Chandradev. 5. Answer is 5 number, Chandradev. Second, the founder of Parmar dynasty. The answer is Krishna Raj. Third, the founder of Chauhan dynasty. Answer is Vasudev. Fourth, the founder of Anilwad Pathan. The answer is Vanraj Chawla. Second, match the following. The founder of Palla dynasty. Answer is Gopal. The founder of Pallava dynasty. Answer is Bappadev. The mighty king of Gravwal dynasty. The answer is Govind Chandra. Or the last king of Vaghela dynasty. The answer is Karnadev. Third exercise. The best king of Parmar dynasty. Answer is Bhoj. The founder of Chalukya dynasty. Answer is Govind III. Third number, the powerful king of Rashtragut dynasty. Answer is Govind I. Sorry, the founder of Chalukya dynasty में 5 नंबर जय सिंह आएगा और द पावरफुल किंग ऑफ राष्ट्रकूट डायनेस्टी में गोविंद III आएगा. ठीक है. फोर्थ नंबर, द बेस्ट रूलर ऑफ चेरा रूलर्स, इसमें आएगा सेतुंगवन. आंसर इन वन वर्ड्स देखेंगे हम. उसमें पहला क्वेश्चन पूछा है विच पीरियड इज कॉल्ड राजपूत एरा. राजपूत एरा किसे कहा जाता है? इसका आंसर है द पीरियड ऑफ 500 ईयर्स बिटवीन 700 to 1200 इज कॉल्ड राजपूत एरा. ठीक है, यानी 500 ईयर्स की हम बात करेंगे, जो 700 से 1200 तक के बीच में चला है उसे राजपूत एरा कहा जाता है। सेकेंड, आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ whom इन द 7th century इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट केम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस इन नॉर्थ इंडिया एंड साउथ इंडिया। इसकी डेथ के बाद जो है साउथ इंडिया और नॉर्थ इंडिया में इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट बनने लगे। तो आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ हर्षवर्धन इन 7th century इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस इन नॉर्थ इंडिया एंड आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ पुलकेशी टू इन साउथ इंडिया। यानी हर्षवर्धन के डेथ के बाद 7th century में और पुलकेशी के डेथ के बाद 7th century में जो है पुलकेशी टू के, उसके बाद इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट जो है बनने लगे। थर्ड, नेम एनी 3 नेम्स ऑफ मेजर डायनेस्टी ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया। Name any 3 names of major dynasty of North India. First was Grewal, second Chandel, third Parmar dynasty are major dynasty of North India. नॉर्थ इंडिया में सबसे बड़े समाज वाले कौन थे? तो ग्रेवाल, चंडेल और परमार। फोर्थ नंबर, हु एस्टैब्लिश द स्टेट ऑफ ग्रेवाल, वेयर डिड ही मेक द कैपिटल? द आंसर इज द स्टेट ऑफ ग्रेवाल वॉज एस्टैब्लिश बाय चंद्रदेव एंड ही मेड कनौज एंड काशी हिज कैपिटल। तो देखो ग्रेवाल स्टेट जो है किसने बसाया था? चंद्रदेव ने बसाया था, और उसने फिर कनौज और कौशी को जो है काशी को अपना कैपिटल बनाया था। फिफ्थ नंबर, विच ग्रेट है रूलर्स बिकम इन बुंदेलखंड स्टेट? तो इसका आंसर है द बुंदेलखंड स्टेट ऑफ चंडेल वॉज लेटर नोन एज जीजाकाभुक्ति। ठीक है, बुंदेलखंड को और कौन से नाम से जाना जाता है? तो बुंदेलखंड स्टेट ऑफ चंडेल वॉज लेटर नोन एज जीजाकाभुक्ति। तो आज के लिए इतना ही, बाकी तो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू।